Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear chat history on ChatGPT. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. ChatGPT provides AI-generated responses to your questions, requests, and comments, but there's a lot more you can do with each conversation. OpenAI allows you to change the name of a chat to better fit its topic, delete chat if you no longer need it, share link to a chat so others can read it, and even export the conversations to view them in a single file. So in this video, I'll show you how to delete chat history on your ChatGPT. Maybe for some reason you no longer need that conversation. Now you want to delete it from your chat history. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to put the word ChatGPT. You can log in into your account on the ChatGPT website. Now, here's all your chat, all my chat in here. If you want to delete one of them, for example, I will delete this one. You can see there's like three dots besides the chat, this conversation. You can select on that, and you'll find there's an option delete. You can just click on that. Now, delete chat. Select on delete. So now you have delayed that conversation from this chat history on your ChatGPT. You can also delete more than one, like this. It's very simple, right? And after that, if you want to start a new chat, you can choose on new chat in here. It's very simple. So that is how to delete, how to remove chat history on ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.